What I'd like my legacy to be is for my daughters to understand that a forest is not a place that either needs to be left untouched or that is a place where people just take our trees and wreck it. I would like them to walk into a forest and know that it is their habitat, that it is a part of their world and part of their life cycle too. Crigvine is one of the best examples I can think of a well-managed forest that works for both the environment, people, and economic value of timber. I think it's important to remember that plantation forestry has a very important role to play in protecting old growth forests. If we can make sure that we have a sustainable source of timber, that we don't need to touch any old growth forests, then we can leave those for what they are. The reality is we need timber. If we want to reduce plastic in the environment, we need wood. If we want to build houses, use wood. It's a perfectly sustainable resource. It smells nice, it's beautiful, it insulates well, and it speaks to people's imaginations. There are lots of ways in which wildlife can actually benefit from the management that we do. We have a lot of larger Norway spruce that we're thinning out at the moment. We're still leaving some of those larger trees. And provided we can leave some of the connectivity, red squirrel can still jump from tree to tree to get the food source. And we still get a product out of the forest. A lot of people don't quite realize how much management goes into it to make it those fantastic places for people and for wildlife that they are, and still produce some timber out of it. So there's many ways that trees look after us, and so it's important that we look after trees to make sure that they keep doing that for years to come.